Welcome back. If your Risevest withdrawal is taking longer than expected, here is how to fix it step by step. Step 1. You have to check your timeline. Make sure you have allowed the required processing time. Wallet withdrawals take up to 24 hours to clear, while your planned redemptions take 3 to 5 business days because the underlying assets must be liquidated. Your weekend requests are processed on the next business day, so that might cause a delay. Step 2 is you have to complete your KYC and BVN verification. What you have to do is, on your home screen, you tap into account. Then you look into your profile. You can see account verification, account cards, and everything that are listed under your profile. Just click on account verification. Once you tap into that, you are going to see which of your IDs is verified or which one is not. So if everything is intact, then you have to go into the next phase. Step 3 is to verify that your bank account name matches. Your bank account name, it matches with the bank account and the app and the Risevest app. Make sure both parties are matching. So make sure your linked receiving bank account name matches the exact legal name on your Risevest profile. Third-party bank transfer are automatically flagged and rejected. So your step 4 is what? Check for active plan lockup. So if you are withdrawing from real estate or fixed income plans before their maturity date, you have to be sure that you have authorized the plan break free. Unsettled fees will pause the withdrawal request. If the money you have in your account is not up to the break free, it is going to delay your withdrawal. And lastly, if it still persists, what you have to do is you have to contact the in-app support with transaction details. So what you do is tap into the account as usual, then you select help and support. Under the help and support, send a direct mail or a direct message to whatever email that is given containing your transaction ID, registered email address, and the exact date of your request. With this, you should be able to solve the problem of withdrawal delay.